Hello everyone, my name is Mark and welcome to Outdoor School of Thought. You may have seen previous Camp Catch and Cook episodes that were filmed in Sonoma County. In this episode, I went on a camping trip with my friends and family to Monterey County. This presented us with new areas and challenges for poke pole fishing and foraging, and we ate very well over the course of the 3-day weekend.
This is tamales, but that's not.
This is almost a spoon.
They're frozen, and we're trying to thaw them on the fire. Wait, we need Elton's spoon!
On our first night of camping, Kim made a Tamale Pie Casserole using the Dutch oven. She started with a few tamales and broke them apart. She later added cans of chili, corn, and beans. While we were waiting for the tamale pie to cook, Elton started carving spoons, and everyone at the campsite got in on it too.
I also made a spoon.
Let's see what's that.
I've also made a spoon. Okay?
Sir.
What's the second step? Elton carved the spoon. I also made that utensil, just by the way. This one? So Etsy. That's a lot. We're gonna have to put this back on the thing.
That's good. Yeah, put it back on the thing.
Did you invent this recipe? My mom. It's my mom's.
Can I have some, please?
I guess.
I'll let your boy though.
All those times I played Oregon Trail prepared me for this.
Ford the river.
Oh my gosh. How was it?
It's everything I dreamed of and more.
Today we are at a beach with mussel beds and also some possible areas for poke poling. I'm here with my family and also some friends, and we're out here to forage for a lot of things. So stay tuned.
Hello, this is the Biotoxin Information line maintained by the California Department of Public Health. This message contains information on current biotoxin-related quarantines for the paralytic shellfish poisoning toxin and for domoic acid.
California mussels are native to the west coast of North America and have been an important food source for indigenous people living on the Pacific coast. They've been harvested for almost 12,000 years. You can find California mussels available on rocky shores where they get battered by the surf. You can find them in clusters that work together by their byssus, which is an elastic filament, often called their beard. This beard is how they attach to other mussels and the surfaces of the rocks. In order to harvest mussels, you can only use your bare hands, which means you cannot use any tools to pry or remove them. It helps to have gloves to keep your hands warm and to protect yourself from cuts. The daily limit for a single person is 10 pounds, and you should have a scale with you. While you forage in the intertidal zone, it's important to keep an eye on the surf and make sure you have an exit route just in case of sneak.
Came up, we got like one keepable monkey face deal. He's in there with a whole bunch of mussels and periwinkles. So tonight we are going to make, what are we making out of the fish? I don't know what we're making out of the fish.
We can make fish tacos.
Fish tacos, and then we're gonna make some escargot and a Korean soft tofu soup. I think we're also gonna use some of the mussels for the escargot too, because you know, mussels with garlic and like white wine, can't go wrong.
When preparing your mussels for cooking, it's important to remove the beard. It's the tough, elastic-like threads that bind the mussels to surfaces. Start by holding the beard from close to the hinge area and pull it forward towards the mouth area or the opening. If you don't have the grip strength to do it with your bare hands, you should use a pair of pliers. Also, you want to clean the shell surface of the mussels by scraping the barnacles and debris off with a knife, or you can also use other mussels if you don't have a knife handy. Connie, what are your thoughts on mussel cleaning?
It's kind of blows, but
Kind of blows. With what?
it's like very satisfying to know that you caught this.
That's good.
We're gonna eat it. It wasn't purchased from the market.
So what's the strategy on snails?
I mean, just clean them off and take off, like, they have small barnacles on them. So, like this snail is a good example. Just like scrape them with the knife until the barnacles come off. Don't want to taste barnacle, you know? I don't know what barnacle tastes like. I'm not trying to find out.
The toughest part of preparing eel is removing the skin. Can't make short work of this by using catfish skin pliers.
Gucci belt right there.
Supreme Eel Edition.
Let's go, homie.
To prepare the eels for tacos, we're cutting the eel fillets into bite-sized pieces, dipping them in cold water, and then covering them with Louisiana Cajun fish fry. It gives it a nice crust and a little bit of a spicy kick.
Itadakimasu. Oh god.
That's hella good. Oh, damn. It's crispy, bro. So there is butter, garlic, parsley, saffron, and red chili pepper. Crushed red pepper.
Alright, just give me some juice. Oh, baby. Oh, god damn. Oh my god.
I think that'll make it awesome.
Am I having a moment right now?
Right here, this is short ribs that we cut up, and then a little olive oil, salt, and I'm just gonna sear them up. Over there, we have mussels, inoki mushrooms, garlic, and green onion. We're gonna add a bunch of other stuff. Gochujang, like this Korean like fermented rice paste. I know it's not usually in soft tofu soup, but I like adding miso because of the salt. And silken tofu and a bunch of eggs. Oh, and wakame. You can eat it. It's done.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. I like it too. Yes.
I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Outdoor School of Thought, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing on YouTube. See you on the next episode.